How to reset Pandora account password. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of changing or resetting your Pandora account password. So first of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type Pandora. Click on the first link that's shown on the screen. Once you're on the home page, click on the account section at the top right corner of the screen. Over here, you'll have two options, login and join on. Now enter your email address and password in the required box and then click on sign on and continue. As you can see, I have forgotten my password. So to reset your password, click on forgot password and enter your email over here and then tap on submit. Once you do that, go back and check your email. An email will be sent to you verifying whether you are the one that's resetting your password or not. Once you open your email, scroll down and then tap on Reset My Password. Choose any web browser that you want to continue. Now enter the new password that you want to set. While choosing a new password, make sure you have 8 characters including uppercase, lowercase, numbers and a symbol and then click on submit. And that's it. Now you will be able to log into your Pandora account easily. And that's it. That's how you reset Pandora account password. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.